Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Story by Kiki. Today I'm going to tell you about the truck that drove all night. In the little town, the sun goes down. Bunnies are sleeping, babies are sleeping, but someone is awake. Behind the blue gate, a light is on. Charlie, the truck driver, eats coffee and cake. He makes up his bed and hugs his ball, Ted. Then he turns out the light and goes into the night. Outside the blue gate, a yellow truck waits. It's old Roller Mac, Charlie's Holler's friend. The moon comes up. Charlie climbs in. He turns the key, pushes the pedal, starts the engine, takes the brake. The headlights are on, the taillights are on. Ready, set, go! Meg goes up a big hill under the stars and down another lit by cars. Later, the moon is hidden. Splat! What's that? Rain! Clang, clang, hoot! Here comes a train. Thunder, claps, crack overhead. Old Mac taillight flash bright red. Houses, headlights, and Sri rush past. Then Old Mac comes to the river at last. At the quiet dock, the sun comes up. Big streamer, wake up. Little tugboat, wake up. But someone is sleeping next to the river, where the waves hit the shores. Charlie eats breakfast, and Old Mac just snores.